Hey guys, well, here's a little update on the articulating tractor. Plank on its wheels, and it's a little bit high. So yeah, it's a little bit higher than I expected it to be. We have to do a little bit of shimming on there. I'm not too sure. Worst case scenario, I'll have to shim up put a block or something on the back of that one there to make it level. So yeah, so getting there. I just had this thing flipping it over and turning it around, and it hit my foot. So god damn, it's fucking heavy. This is a heavy. Oops, sorry, my finger on the thing. It's a heavy unit. So yeah, sure like it though. Very cool and unique. So anyways, put a little bit of time in it each day and get it to where I want it to be. But yeah, it's definitely coming along surely but slowly. So alright guys, so I put some other video, show you guys how the project's coming along. So still a lot more work doing it yet, but it's getting there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. More coming up.